Hello, Susan, and all the scum. Susan, just like to wish you the very best in retirement. We've certainly been enjoying our retirement so far, and we know that you're going to find something really interesting to keep you busy too. So,
Mainly come on down and go skiing with us, and spring skiing all winter long down here.
I wish everybody in Fairbanks all the best. We have smoke down here too, but probably not as bad as you do right now. So have a great party, and hope to see everybody soon.
Take care.
Hello, scum. Welcome to Glade. It's our new abode. Take you on a little tour of the yard here. In the process of building a greenhouse behind me right now. I'm going to zoom in on the greenhouse.
Sure.
Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, basil, cantaloupe.
Oops. No, I think we're still filming. I think we're still filming.
Right. Out here we got the field garden. So we'll put our chickens out there next month, and corn, potatoes, squash. Big stuff goes out there.
Show them where you store your kayaks.
We got the kayaks stored in the shed over there. And the compost bin.
Oh yeah, I've got to see the compost bins.
This is the field garden where we just come out and harvest stuff before dinner.
The asparagus in the background, and some of the fruit trees that we planted before we came down. Peach trees loaded this year. Pea pods down at the end.
And it's the south side of the house with the pergola and the wisteria, and down to the Kootenai River and Glade Ferry. What would we do without the ferry?